how to set RAM Plus to 2 GB for 608 GB on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Now in here, tap on memory. Then we scroll down and tap on RAM Plus. Now in here, you can choose less virtual memory. So you can select 2 GB or 4 or 6 or 8. Now when you make a change, you need to restart your device. So tap on the restart button to change the amount of internal storage used as virtual memory. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.